We have another McDonald's toy. Let's see what we got today. It is Rascal Rabbid from the Rabbids line of toys. It is number 1 in the series. Let's get this opened. You get the toy and some instructions. Let's take a closer look. This one looks pretty hideous. He is making an ugly face with one eye closed and one eye half opened and an ugly grin. Mine has some paint splatter on the eyes and the belly. Other than that, the paint is pretty clean and sharp. On the back, there is a switch and there are 4 holes on his butt. Let's try it out. Turn on the switch and press his belly. He sticks out his tongue and makes a raspberry sound and screams. The tongue is really red and is very shiny, which looks quite good on this toy. He only makes one sound over and over and will get annoying pretty fast. That's it for now. See you next time.